Hi friends, welcome to soon. Today is the 20th episode in the science series. So today it is physics in science. So today we are going to discuss about a way of producing an electrical energy called hydroelectrical energy. Yes. So hydroelectricity is the conversion of the mechanical energy in flowing water into electricity. So for example, there is a small river, and if you put a turbine inside that river, for example, the river is a powerful river which has lots of energy while flowing. So that can be used as energy. If we put a turbine underneath, the water will just push the turbine and it will convert that water into that force into electricity which we can use. Yes. So today it is like that, hydroelectricity. Yes. So it is generated when the force of falling water from dams, rivers or even waterfalls. Yes, waterfalls is used to turn turbines, which then drives generators that produce electricity. Yes, so of course every way of producing energy needs turbines and generators. Yes, so every type of energy needs those two things. Yes, after this process has taken place, electricity is transferred to the communities through transmission lines, and the water is released back into the lakes, streams or rivers. So I'll explain what will happen. So here there's a diagram of how this hydropower is made. So first there's a dam. So here in these holes, water will come down with lots of force. Yes, if you saw a dam, you may have seen that force. Yes. So this water will fall down into something like a lake or river. So the force which comes from this falling water will go here. So this is the force, these wave things. So here is the turbine here. So this force will turn the turbine round and round and round. Yes, again, so the rotation energy from this turbine goes into the generator, where that rotational energy is turned into electrical energy, which we of course use for everything. Yes. So this happens inside the powerhouse. So after the electrical energy is generated, these wires take it to power lines, which we take it to power grids, which then we receive to all of the world. Yes. So there is a slight chance you may have used some energy which came from this process only. Yes. So it supplies 1/6 of the world's electricity, which is almost 4,500 terawatt hours in 2020. Yes, that is a lot of energy. Yes. So, which is more than all other renewable sources combined, and also more than nuclear power itself. Yes, that is an amazing feat by just water itself, which we drink and even wash ourselves with. But water did all of this, even give us electricity to many houses. Yes, the water helps us in many things. So next, the advantages of hydropower. So it is a renewable source of energy, non-pollution. So that means it is a renewable energy way. So it doesn't cause any pollution to the atmosphere. Like it doesn't produce carbon dioxide or any other greenhouse gases. Yes, it is also cheaper to electricity generated from coal and gas. So if coal and gas are more expensive than hydropower itself. Yes, so they are more expensive, and also it does not consume the water for generation of electricity. The water comes and again goes away into rivers or lakes or those things. Yes. So those are the advantages, but again there are disadvantages. So the first one is that it displaces people. For example, Okay, so near this dam here, there is some small villages. So there might be a risk while constructing this dam that a flood may happen. So they will evacuate the people from those villages and build new villages for them to stay, and they then build this dam and this hydropower thing stuff. Yes, but and also it has an environmental impact. Yes, for example, large dams have lots of water, right? So because of that, small earthquakes can happen because of all of those force of the water. And also they also may cut the trees because it may flood also, and also for the place for the dam. Yes, and finally it requires high capital money, so it needs lots of money to be built. Yes, so lots of money to build just these things. Yes, so those are the three disadvantages. So this is for today about hydropower, and there will be another episode about this coming 2 weeks later in the next physics series episode. Bye.